Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with water heater bypass, single slide, roof ladder, power tongue jack, outside kitchen refrigerator, triple step entry, digital TV antenna, outside shower, backup camera ready, spare tire and carrier, stabilizer jacks, outside speakers, solar power prep, outside gas grill, outside kitchen sink, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, oven, walk-around queen bed, range hood with exhaust fan and light, entertainment center, stainless steel kitchen appliances, over-the-range microwave, smoke detector, large kitchen sink, bathroom sink, TV and DVD player, storage drawers under each booth, entry grab handle, front bedroom. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.